How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best setting for your LG UltraGear 27GX monitor. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to set the highest refresh rate possible under the advanced display setting for Windows. I highly suggest that you also use a DisplayPort, so in that way, you unlock the higher refresh rate and at the same time, higher resolution. From there, access the OSD setting by navigating through the joystick right behind the monitor, or you could click on the buttons below it. Now apply the following setting. Refresh rate is going to be 240. Adaptive sync is on. Game mode is gamer 1. Response time is fast. We want to avoid the higher options in there because it can actually cause ghosting. Black stabilizer 50 or 55. Dynamic action sync is on and HDR is going to be off. Now for picture settings, set your brightness to 35 or 45, but of course you want to adjust this according to your room lighting. Contrast 70, sharpness 50, gamma is going to be mode 2, color temperature warm, and color gamut is sRGB. And for FPS gamers out there, once again 240 Hz, everything is going to be the same other than the black stabilizer, increase it to 55. Crosshair is going to be optional, and HDR of course is going to be off. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.